Hey guys, welcome back to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to launch any app using keyboard shortcuts in macOS. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. Open Automator from the Launchpad or Applications folder. And from here, choose Quick Action. Here is the list of things you can do using the Automator. Look for Launch Application and double-click on it. From the drop-down list, select whichever application you want to open using a keyboard shortcut. If you don't find your application, click on Other and then choose from the Applications folder or from its location. After choosing the application, click on File and then click on Save. Give it the name of your choice and click on Save. Now, close Automator and open System Preferences. Open Keyboard Settings, and then go to Shortcuts tab. Here, from left pane, select Services, and scroll to last. Under General, you'll see the name, which you created. Click on the name, and then add Shortcut, and then close System Preferences. And now, press the keyboard shortcut to invoke the selected application. And as you can see, the selected application opens. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.